Hey y'all, I decided to go ahead and film a Memorial Day vlog. So I'm actually starting this vlog on Thursday. Today is Thursday. I went ahead and put in my Walmart grocery pickup order because I'm scared they're gonna run out of some things that I want from the store. So I'm gonna run and get that, and I'm gonna show you a grocery haul, and then I'll show you the rest of the weekend. Me and Brandon are just gonna be chilling and grilling. Pretty sure that's what I'm gonna title this haul. That's all we have plans on doing for the whole weekend. Okay, if you are a health freak, just go ahead and turn off the video right now because you're probably not gonna like half of this crap, like these delicious things here. Okay, we got a watermelon, we got some burger patties, strawberries, salad, we got lettuce, bananas, I got limes, I got avocado, onion, asparagus. These are my favorite hamburger buns, these onion hamburger buns. Y'all, I've been craving these forever, so I finally got them. We got hot dogs, we got oranges. Oranges are in season, so they're really good right now. I think one of these sauces, it's either this one of these were a substitution. I think it was this one. Yeah, we ordered hot, but they gave us medium. Okay, back over here. We got some chili for the hot dogs, salsa verde, Bailey. Okay. Here's some jerk seasoning, and we're gonna put that on some chicken. I needed some tape for my business. Okay, if you're from the coast, please do not judge me. I usually do not buy my shrimp from freaking Walmart, but this was like my easy haul, y'all. Like, I've been working all week, and I just wanted to make things easy for myself for this weekend. Corn. This is what Brandon likes to use to clean his face. Okay. So where I live, it's super, super humid, and basically my makeup just sweats off during the summer. So I got this. I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not. We'll see. I got sweet relish. I bought the only mayonnaise anyone should buy. Duke's. I want to do a hair mask, and I like this one. I've bought this before. I usually either buy this or I just use coconut oil and I sleep in it overnight. Be good. Okay, chicken thighs. I got 2 packs of those. Hey, and I think I'm gonna do jerk chicken and then maybe barbecue chicken. I needed some more Dawn. Dawn's the only dish detergent I use. Which one do y'all use? Brandon wanted me, he said that he felt like maybe he was gonna get a cavity. I don't know. Anyway, he told me to get cavity protection. We got some scallops. Okay, I never buy this crap, these pre-made things, but y'all, this is such a good deal. So I was gonna make a big thing of potato salad. This was less than $4, okay? The potatoes I was gonna buy was gonna be like $4 and something. So I was like, dude, it's cheaper for me to just buy the potato salad already made and the coleslaw already made. I've never had their coleslaw or their potato salad. This looks really, really like milky. I don't know about that. Maybe we won't buy that again. Brandon wanted some thick cut bacon. I think we're gonna wrap it around the scallops. I got a zucchini, lemon. I think I said all that. Oh my gosh. Okay, something you need to buy right now. This. These are chocolate filled marshmallows. I saw this. I was watching the Married at First Sight finale part 2. Comment down below if you watched that. It got crazy. Anyway, during that show, it's one of the only shows I watch, y'all, I got an advertisement for these, and me and Brandon right away were like, we're gonna get that. Anyway, we got that. Of course, if you live, you know, down here in the Gulf Coast where I live, you got Tony's. I was running out. I've never tried this, but this looked really good. Baja shrimp seasoning, so I got that. And then another crap buy, this. It's absolutely amazing. Anyway, so this is my Memorial Day haul. Today's Thursday, so I'll check in when something else fun happens. Are you ready to grill, Benji? Yeah? Okay, Brixton. Okay, Saturday is hamburgers and hot dogs. Alright, let's tell them about this sign. So this sign is from one of the first estate sales that me and Brandon did together. And it was a bed and breakfast in Fairhope, Alabama. And anyway, yeah, that was a pretty memorable place, one of the most memorable actually. And we decided to keep their sign and put it out here on the shed in the backyard. The lighting kind of sucks out here because it looks like it's gonna rain. The sky's pretty dark today.
He's on 2 of them.
Flowers that we have, and they smell really good, but it was raining really hard the other day, so they got really, really wet. Bye. Look at all this hair. Okay, we're snacking on these, and they're definitely puppy approved. She got the whole thing.
They're good.
That's as much commentary as you're gonna get, huh? Deep into this. This is basically our weekend. All the time, grilling and Cuddy Sark, right? Got my Sunday shirt on. Looks good. These Fabletics are super comfortable because they have that venting, that netting in them. Feels like wearing nothing. Y'all, I've been like the absolute worst at vlogging this weekend. Basically, me and my husband have been grilling and eating. But I wanted to sit down real quick towards the end of this video and unbox my last Stitch Fix with y'all. If y'all have kept up with my Stitch Fix experience, then you know I'm pretty much at the end of my rope with them. And I think this is going to be my last Stitch Fix because let me show you what they sent me. It's absolutely like god awful. All right, there's my bundle. So she sent me some shorts, even though I have specifically wrote on my style profile that I don't wear shorts. They also sent me a skirt, which I also have on my profile to specifically not send me a skirt. So it's off to a great start, right? I literally don't know why they sent me this. They sent me a leotard. Y'all. They sent me a leotard. I have absolutely no idea why they sent me this. You know, if you look back at my history, I've only bought boots and jeans from them, and then they send me this crap. I don't know. They did send me this, which I'm not really crazy about it. I mean, it's okay. I don't know how much they want from this. I really am just ready to just send it all back. And I have a couple hundred in credits, and I'm probably just going to use the Shop Your Looks. Because, I don't know, they probably want 50 or 60 for that. Here's the shoes. Again, I don't know why they sent me any of this. I have made, so if you're new here, I think this is my 11th or 12th Stitch Fix. I've always had not to send me shorts, not to send me skirts on my profile. And I tell them specifically every time I don't wear flat shoes. It's gonna have to have a heel. Anyway, I don't know why they sent me this crap. I'm gonna try on this polka dot top. Let's see how this looks. Okay, so here's this top. I feel like the sleeves kind of hit me weird. I don't know. It's just like your basic peplum top. This is 38 bucks, okay? The frickin' the leotard was $78. I'm so confused. The skirt was $48, the shorts were $48, and the sandals were $50. I don't want none of it, y'all. I'm done with Stitch Fix. This is my last Stitch Fix. I didn't even give it its own, like, video. Yeah, this one I thought I was going to be okay with, but I think the sleeve length, I don't know. I'm not really crazy about any of it. So yeah, let me know. Are you canceling Stitch Fix? I feel like a lot of us are canceling Stitch Fix. This vlog, I already know I haven't edited any of it. It's super random. My hair is crazy today. But if you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up. Let me know, what did y'all do for Memorial Day weekend? we just kind of chilled around the house. I'm going to send this crap back to Stitch Fix, and I'm going to do a Shop Your Looks haul. I'm going to buy stuff that I actually want to wear. I see stuff on Stitch Fix all the time I want to get, but they never send it to me. So yeah, hopefully you guys liked this completely unorganized video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're already not, and I'll see you in the next video in just a couple days. See y'all soon. Bye.